Hey guys, so got the C8 today. What I want to talk about are the little defects I've seen on the Corvette. So very minor, you know, I love this car to death. It's just an amazing car. I don't want to turn that down and say, okay, like some other videos, you know, say, oh, that sucks. You have such defects and such issues. But check, so I will show you a few things. Not sure if you will see that. Here it's a little difficult to see depending on the reflection, but there is a right here you'll see quite a bump on the paint, but yeah, it's a little bit difficult to see. We can go right here, see some very tiny specks. Here it's a bigger one, not sure if you can see that. Here we go. So like a bristle or whatever, which is weird, stuck into the paint. So nothing major at all, but just like little things. If you look at here, that plastic part, you'll notice a gap about 16 of an inch, which is not the same on the other door. It kind of get in your eyes, a little eyesore. Might not have the right reflection, but the carpet on that side wall here is pretty wrinkly. I think we see a little bit better that way, yeah. So, and that's the only spot in the Corvette. Luckily it's hidden by the seat, so you don't see much. Then when you're taking the GT2 seat and you're upgrading to that dual color, you're expecting perfection. And even for the base model, if you look at here, I need to trim that, but that just jumped to your eyes. That should have been taken care of from the get-go. I'm like very surprised they missed it during the quality control checks. But other than that, there is another little paint speck on the passenger door, like I showed you on the other door. So nothing crazy. I hear on the T-top little bit of rattling also when you're driving, which is a little bit annoying. I need to check that as well. So very minor defects, but still you're thinking about the price of the car, what you get, and you're expecting a quality control that is going above and beyond. It is pretty surprising. Then the other things is everything that is not leather. Check that part, for example. Barely got the car. Whatever you touch, the barely get out with the shoes, you barely touch the door, you'll get some little marks everywhere. But oh well, nothing crazy. So anyway, that's just what I wanted to show today. Just a short video, just to show that you will see little minor defects, but so far I have not seen anything, and I've not felt anything mechanical, nothing crazy, very tiny. I'm still going to go to Chevrolet and see how they're handling that. However, I'm very anxious to give the Corvette back and not seeing what they're going to do, and just want to keep it. So anyway, hope that gives you a little perspective of what kind of defect you can see. Hope it helps. And again, if you have any questions, anything that you would like to know or see about the Corvette, please let me know. I will be delighted just to talk a lot more about it. It's just like it's just an amazing car. So okay, I will see you next time. Hope you subscribe and get some more watching those videos and supporting my channel. And I'll see you next time. See ya.